Today I want to talk about the tragedy of becoming a better manager. It's a story as old as time. You start out as a team member, you're eager, you're just full of ideas. You work hard, you learn from your mistakes, and before you know it, you are promoted to a management position. Congratulations, you are on your way to success. Or are you? Welcome to the channel, Leadership with Mike. On this channel, I help you become a more confident leader, and I do this with no nonsense, if that makes any sense. The tragedy of becoming a better manager or a great manager is that the very skills that got you promoted, your drive, your ambition, your attention to detail, can become your greatest weaknesses. It's all too easy to get caught up in the day-to-day grind of meetings and deadlines and performance reviews and forget the human side of management. The truth is, being a manager is not just about telling people what to do. It's about inspiring, guiding, and supporting your team to do their best work. It's about finding balance between pushing for results and showing empathy. It's about recognizing that everyone has their own strengths, weaknesses, and motivations, and you need to find ways to bring out the best in each person. And here's the real tragedy. When you're too focused on the bottom line, it is so easy to forget about the people who are making it all possible. You may find yourself micromanaging, being overly critical, or neglecting the emotional needs of your team. Before you know it, morale is low, turnover is high, and you're left wondering why no one is as dedicated or as motivated as you used to be. So now you're saying, Mike, what's the solution? How can I avoid this tragedy and instead become a manager that people want to work for? The answer is simple, but it's not always easy. Be present. Listen more than you talk. Show interest in your team's lives. Celebrate their successes. Recognize their challenges. And most of all, most importantly, be human. Becoming a better manager is not about being perfect. It's about being real, being honest, and being there for your team. It's about remembering that at the end of the day, it's the people who make the difference, not the numbers. Now, one way to make this all easy for you as a manager is to get into the Cool Club. And in this video, I share why you want to be in what is or was called the Boys Club, because it's your network and you need to figure out how to make your network work. Get your coffee. See you there. Ciao.